Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete a post on BeReal. In order to delete a post on BeReal, first of all, go ahead and open up the BeReal application on your phone and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the home page of BeReal, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Inside your profile icon, you will see all of your BeReal posts that you have made. Scroll to find the BeReal post you want to remove and tap on it to open up the full post. Now, click on the three dots at the top right corner and in the pop-up, click on Delete My BeReal. Now select why you are trying to delete your BeReal from the option provided and then click on Yes, I'm sure at the bottom. Click on Delete once again in the pop-up and there you have successfully deleted the chosen BeReal. And that's it. Your BeReal post is gone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you want more tips and tricks for using BeReal. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.